So if you just got your level 2 certification, I would say one of the maturity things you should be doing, in addition to continuous monitoring, is beginning to implement revision 3 requirements. And make sure as you do that you are using the guidance of the DoD for those objectives that they get to define. It's not you as the contractor that gets to define them. DoD define them. So there are things that DoD has said, when you do revision 3 of 800-171, these are the things that are going to be required. So start maturing toward revision 3 and getting ready for the next round. Keep your organization strong. Keep your cybersecurity strong. Keep doing all that you can to protect the warfighter, because that's what it's about. In fact, DoD will tell you, CMMC is not about making sure your business survives. They could care less if your business is profitable, does well, is still there, unless you're providing something that they can't get anywhere else, unless you're really unique. If there are 15 different contractors who are bidding on something, they're not worried about you. They're worried about their data. CMMC is about protecting the data. So if you're hacked and you lose everything, as long as their data is secure, you've met the CMMC compliance requirement.